The first thing you need to do is open up Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet piece of software, so it allows us to create calculations. The first thing you will see is Excel is split up into columns called A, B, C, D, E. It's also split up into rows. This basically looks like tiny little squares on your screen. This becomes more useful as we start to use spreadsheet software. So the first thing you need to do is create the Incredibles spreadsheet to show the number of items they might want and the cost of it. So I'm going to put in the title, which is the Incredibles software, or the Incredibles spreadsheet. The title looks like it is overlapping into column B and C. All I'm going to do is select B, C, all the way to letter M and click Merge and Center. Just like in Word, I can change the font style. Let me choose this one, and I can increase the size. There you go, that's my title sorted. I'm now going to go to cell A3 and type in item name. Oh. I'm going to go into press enter. Again, it looks like it's slightly overlapping, so all I'm going to do is stretch column A and B. I then need to put in quantity, which is the number of items we want, quantity, and the next column I am going to put in the cost, and the final column is total cost. I'm just going to make these bold. The first item I'm going to have is superpower gun. Oh, gun. How many do I want? I probably want 3 of these. Again, notice how this column, I will need to stretch it, so I need to go between the letter A and B, look for a black cross, stretch, or even double click. Type in all your items, how many you want, the cost. So I'm just going to make this up for now, put in $4 and then put the total cost in. Notice, because this is the cost column, I should change this up here to English pounds, or I could change it to dollars, and then it will automatically have decimal places. I will probably need to do the same in this last column as well, so select column D, and then I'm just going to click the dollar sign. To work out the calculation, I will need to put a formula in. Before I show you how to do that, I'm just going to put in one more item. So let's put in notebook for now. I want 4 notebooks. Let's say they cost 50 pence or 50 fils. Oops. Right, to work out the total, I could use a calculator, but remember how I said spreadsheets use calculations or formulas. Every formula starts with an equal sign. Click equals B4, the times sign, and then the cost, press enter. I'll do the same thing here, times, press enter. Notice if I now change the guns to 4, this will automatically update. I want you to choose 10 different items for me. Again, you can make this up, it's entirely up to you.